Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn subject maths. In that we are going to learn lesson number 27, multiplication preparation. It is given in our maths textbook, page number 93 to 95. Tell me, मुझे बताओ. Now let's understand this whole concept through few examples. Dinu, my hands two, my two hands, Rani's two hands. Total hands of both of them are 1, 2, 3, 4. My two hands, Rani's two hands, Aman's two hands. In all, how many hands do all three have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My two hands, Rani's two hands, Aman's two hands, Maria's two hands. How many hands do all four have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, count the objects and write the number. आपको ऑब्जेक्ट्स को गिनना है और नंबर्स लिखने हैं. Here how many custard apples are there? 1, 2 apples. Custard apples in a plate, 2. In one plate, 2. In other plate, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many custard apples are there? 4. There are 2 custard apples in one dish. So total custard apples in 2 dishes are 4. How many? 4. Next, 2 custard apple in one dish. So there are total 1, 2, 3 dishes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here the total is 6. There are 2 custard apples in one dish. So total custard apple in 3 dishes are 6. There are 2 custard apples in one dish. So total custard apple in 4 dishes are 1, 2, 3, 4 dishes, and total custard apple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you will write 8 and here also you will write 8. Try to understand. Now here there are 3 groups, 1, 2, 3. In one group there are how many flowers? 2 flowers plus 2 flowers plus 2 flowers. Total 6 flowers. 2 flowers how many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So 2 3s are 6 flowers and times. We read it as 2 multiplied by 3. If we add the number 2 3 times, we get the sum 6. This means 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 6. That is 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. In 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6, the sign is, cross sign is used for multiplication. We read 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6 as 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. In words, the same thing is written in words. Write the appropriate number in the empty boxes. Now here 1, 2 balls plus 2 balls. 2 plus 2 is equals to, how we can write? 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. So both the answers will be 4. Now here 2 plus 2 plus 2. And 2 multiplied by how many group are there? 1, 2, 3. 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. So this will be the answer. Now here how many times? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Again 2, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 groups. So 2 fours are 8. Next, chalks are given. In one group, how many chalk are there? There are 3 chalks. 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 into how many groups? 1, 2, 3 groups. So 3 threes are 9. Next is notes of the lesson. Lesson number 27, page number 93 to 95. Multiplication preparation is the name of the lesson. Note: the sign X is used for multiplication. For what this sign is used? It is used for multiplication. Question number 1. Count the objects and write the numbers in the boxes. Now in first group, how many balls are there? 3 plus 3. Now here 3 balls in how many group? 1, 2. So 3 twos are 6. Next is B. 2 cups in one group. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 into how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. So 2 fours are 8. Next, balloons. In one group there are 4 balloons. 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 balloons in one group. Total how many groups are there? 1, 2 and 3. So 4 threes are 12. Next is 2 flowers in one group. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now 2 flowers in one group. Total how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 groups. So 2 fives are 10. Thank you.